Hey everybody, it's Bridgett Harrison, aka Bridgett H, hairstylist, makeup artist, and content creator. Welcome to my channel, Hair by Bridgett Harrison. Hey y'all, hey, it's been a minute, but we back with these long form videos. I've been dropping these shorts, but baby, let me tell you, let's get into this big chop, how I like to approach a big chop. The first thing I like to do when approaching a big chop is either I'm going with my shears, or I'm going to go in with my clippers, and I'm going to cut the hair down before I apply any type of relaxer. Now, to get a Pixie by Bridgett Harrison, you have to have a relaxer. I don't do natural Pixies. That's just my preference. Some people do. I don't. Now, let's get back into it. Now, even though she's getting a relaxer and I'm combing through her hair, I'm using a big tooth comb and I'm combing the outside of her hair because she's getting a relaxer. I don't want to comb her scalp, so I'm only combing the outside of her hair. And now, that's it. Now, I will go in with my shears once I cut the hair down, and you can see the haircut. I still have somewhat of a guideline. I do have a guideline, not somewhat. And I like to just go in, cut the hair down as much as I possibly can. Now, do I just go in and go crazy and cut the hair all the way off? No, because you never know what you're getting up under all the hair. It could be calyx, it could be bald spots, thinning hair, whatever the case might be. So I like to take my time and approach it slow. See, this is, because a big chop is time consuming. A big chop costs. It's time consuming. You hit the slug all day fooling with a big chop. Okay, that's my little rant about a big chop. It's not a bad thing. It's just time consuming. So now you can see the haircut. I'm going to base her scalp. I'm going to apply the relaxer. I'm going to rinse the relaxer out really good. I'm going to do a video on how to shampoo relaxer out the hair because rinsing the hair 2 times is not enough. I digress. Now, look at her, she happy. She's like, oh my God, my hair is so straight. Now we're gonna go in, her hair is wet. I'm gonna go in and follow my guideline and cut some more of her hair. Now, I like to typically cut my cuts dry depending, but with something like this, a Pixie, and you're going from so long to short, I don't want to mold all that hair. The reason why I don't want to mold all that hair is because it takes away from the hair laying down. If I know we're not going to use the hair, why leave it on the head? Now, will I cut her hair all the way down to where I want it? No. The back, yes, as close as possible, but the top of the hair, no. And she did want to be able to put some waves in her hair, so I tried to leave the sides as full as possible, but also going with the haircut. And ladies, hairstylists, men, ladies, I have not said what type of haircut I'm doing. Please forgive me. It's been a minute since we've done this. Her haircut is a 90-degree haircut. It is a 90-degree haircut, even with over direction at 45 degrees. The base of a Pixie haircut is a 90-degree haircut. I mean, I don't know how it is what it is. It's the base of the haircut. It's a 90-degree haircut. And you just follow your guideline throughout the haircut and leaving the hair as full or thick as the customer wants it. Now, the thing I love about a Pixie is I do like to use my texturing shears. They have become my best friends. Sometimes I use the texturing shears, especially on the back if it's really, really, really full, to make sure the hair is going to lay down before I mold it. I like to use my texturing shears while the hair is wet as well. Now, y'all, I don't know where the mold video is. This video is old. Don't kill me. I was like, dang, I was searching. I was all in my Dropbox like, where's the mold video? Anyways, I used some pomade and shine to break open her Pixie. Now I'm checking the haircut, getting any excess hair, seeing how the hair is laying. It's just something about cutting the hair while it's dry. I love to cut the hair while it's dry. Now, again, going from where she went, y'all seen she had a head full of beautiful hair. And I was like, girl, you sure you want to cut this out? She's like, please cut it. Cut it. In my cut it. You got to cut it. Anyways, as you see, I'm still following my guideline and going through, checking my cut, and making sure the hair is lean like I want it. So let me tell you guys, hairstylists, as I was editing, I was like, I had 2 phones up horizontally, but where's the rest of the videos, y'all? I had to go through my iPad, and I found the rest of the videos. And let me tell you something. If you haven't, and if you can, record your videos with 2 different point of view so you can get both sides of the hair, because this has made the video just a tad bit better because you're seeing me cut from one side and my body is not overshadowing the camera, and you can still see me doing the cut. And you see it's just a 45-degree cut that I'm doing. I just want to add that in. That's just a tip. Like, it's up to you. Hey, if you want to, you can. If you can, try it. It's going to be like, and don't wait 15 months later to edit the video, because then you forget. But go on and edit the video and drop it. But let me tell you guys, this hair is laying down. And this is what I'm talking about, like when you go through and you check your cut after it's dry, and even just cutting all that hair out before now, the hair is laying. You want to be able to see that cut before you put any heat on it. Like, I'm an old school hairstylist. Like, I like all that styling stuff, but baby, I need the hair, when you're not in a hair salon, I need the hair to lay down. I need the haircut to be cute. I need it to be cutting. I need it to be cute, and I need it to be laying down. But no, I used a little hairspray, and I'm bumping the hair with just some regular flat irons. Nothing special, nothing specific. Actually, I got these flat irons off of Amazon, but I'm pulling out my baby list tomorrow. I just put a reminder like, hey girl, get your baby list and pull them back out. But yeah, so the hair, the good thing about the mold is, like, when you put those waves in, it kind of just helps the hair glide in whichever direction you want it to go. And her hair looks amazing, y'all. Look at it. And it doesn't take a lot of product. If the cut is right, you don't need a lot of product. You don't need a lot of nothing when you cut the hair. And take your time. Like, I have time when people book a haircut, there's extra time on my booking site to say, hey, Bridget, like, it's already in there to take that time to make sure you have time to cut. Because at one point I used to be overbooked and all this stuff, and you don't have time. You know, you booking people every 30 minutes. How you booking people every 30 minutes? And a haircut, like a big chop, takes time. A haircut takes time. And you want to be able to take your time and not feel overwhelmed and not feel rushed. Like, charge a little more for your time. And then you're taking your time and doing what needs to be done. And you and the client are both satisfied. And you're not stressed in the salon because you got people waiting, but you're trying to hurry up and cut this hair. And haircuts, you got to take your time. Like, one thing I've learned is to take my time with my haircuts. And y'all, this is the easy part. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment. Make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, make sure you turn on your notifications, follow me on social media, Hair by Bridgett Harrison, hair by _ Bridgett Harrison. Yeah, I just changed all my stuff. Look. Give me a little grace around here. Look, we dropping videos. That's the most important thing. Bridgett is back dropping long form videos, because baby, y'all was eating me up on my other channel. Like, where's the hair videos? Sis, the hair videos are coming. The hair videos are back. And this is what we're doing. This Pixie. This was a big chop. Like, I had so much fun doing this. I miss talking to you guys. Let's start there. And pretty much I used to let her spray some shine, some cream shine, Bite Stations old school, a big old school claw comb, and we combed out the Pixie, and the Pixie was Pixieing. And if you want to keep in touch and want to know next time I drop a hair video, text hair to 972-433-9907. Text hair to 972-433-9907. And also, if you want to see a day in my life and me doing some makeup and some fashion stuff, check out Bridgett Harrison, my other YouTube channel. And I had fun. We'll be back soon. The Pixie is Pixieing. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your blessing, your night or morning, whenever you're watching this. I'll talk to you sooner than later.